But this philosophical ideology preceded centuries back, deriving from areas like existentialism. It never took into consideration these whole contemporary...
Yeah, these concepts of like...
Right. And then Gnosticism, of course, which is sort of affinitized through mythological mediums. So when you look at it objectively, intersubjectivity, phenomenology, in fact...
Accent. The West Indian accent.
That's where mutually exclusive disciplines overlap, right? So these are the areas I find intriguing because these things are self-referential and it's
and frequency may be soft, but yet frequency is a higher pitch. What is a pitch?
In music, you have also sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. Trajectory that occurs. You can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.